skip. So I can't preach from a stool. You can't confine this. Like I'm walking around if
Given a choice, they'd rather confine all of their teaching between.
Because you don't see it if you just confine your attention to one side or the other.
You know, confine your phone calls to the absolutely essential.
I wanted to know what happens when you confine a man.
And to confine yourself, you tend to think along.
But this would seem to confine the function get string to.
We're not just going to confine our planning to one type of disaster. We're going
the wrongful confinement aspect of the claim.
Vote to stop extreme confinement of laying hens.
Not like our solitary confinement, mind you.
And when you put prisoners in solitary confinement.
This is true not only in solitary confinement prisons, but
staying in this little confinement.
Spent many years in solitary confinement.
Drugs where we have to use confinement because this.
Subjected at some point during his confinement could have been.
And confine myself on, as I think we're doing.
Confine yourself to the dashboard for that.
And not to confine experimentation to the studio.
But if instead we confine our imagination.
Prison at Guantanamo Bay, we could confine them in a different place.
To try and confine your reporting to
atmosphere. The pop gun will confine the air that is within the tube perfectly. And
that you can't control and you can't confine.
And, you know, as a way of, we will confine it to a crisis only at Flint.